I'm so honored to be with you to share my presentary work. And my name is Zeng. I come from East China University. The title of my academic dissertation is Choosing Heterogeneous Material Transport in the Yangtze River System, Insight from Radionuclide Dynamic. The content is listed as follows. It's widely recognized that lakes connected to the mainstream intercept and transport water and sediments, and that river lake interactions influence river sediments transport process. Lakes can extend the resistance time of downstream land-based source by trapping sediment in reduce flowing velocity, increase resistance time, improve the utilization of nutrients on pyrite matter and the hazard level of harmful substance, while the source, space, and force of the sediments in neural system have been widely studied, but temporal dynamic of sediments have received less attention, mainly due to the complexity of the process and the lack of methods available to assess this dynamic. Systems undertook suspending particulate matter, such as mentioned heavy metals, persistent organic pollutants, and radionuclides. Therefore, quantify the timescale of sediments transfer throughout the entire system is crucial for understanding what shapes sediment dynamic and the fate of absorbed pollutants. Solar and lead 210 and Roman 210 due to their particular activity can be used as tracers of the residence time of particulate matter on different time scale in river. Time studies have required radionuclides such as cesium 137, lead, beryllium, and carbon 14 as tracers for sediment residence time. Additionally, research has employed the activity nature of beryllium to lead to calculate the sediment's residence time. The is there for spending particular matter are typically in the range of 3 to 1 and longer decades. Research has proved dominantly concentrations on South America, Europe, and Australia, whereas study in Asia remain relatively scarce. Other aspects work on sentiment with suspension flux and residence time of particulate matter has mainly focused on small river basins. There is a lack of work to assess the dynamic of particulate matter behavior in large river basins. Therefore, we focus on the Yangtze River Basin to assess the dynamic behavior of particulate matter. Here is an introduction to our study area in analytical methods. The sample diagram is as follows. In September 2021, we collected 20 mainstream samples along the Yangtze River from Yichang to Jiangning, as well as two tributary samples and four lake samples. In order to analyze beryllium, every sample we collected 600 liter, and we failed to collect the particulate matter. Is introduced to our study. For the presentation, I will primarily focus on findings from Yichang to Luoshan to demonstrate the impact of Dongqing Lake on particulate matter transport in the mainstream of the Yangtze River. The distribution of lead and pollution in Yichang to Luoshan is shown in graphic. The activity concentration of lead and pollution in the mainstream of the Yangtze River were significantly higher than those used in Dongqing Lake, and the difference was greater for lead. We did a single model to illustrating the source and sinks of particulate lead. The source, including removal of lead from dissolved phase by particle, regular particle input in production from parent on particulate, and another sediments with suspension and other source. The sinks, including regular particulate output and decals in sediments settling. The same model concept applied to beryllium and beryllium source and sinks, but beryllium without the import from the decay of a parent radionuclide. Since the other terms are 3 to 4 orders of magnitude higher than production from parent on particulate, they are ignored in the calculation. The difference between the single box model of dissolve and particle is the additional source of atmospheric deposition and the lack of a source of resuspension. According to the nuclear mass balance according to the nuclear mass balance, by calculating flux from other node source and sinks, the contribution of to calculate the contribution of tributary input to the budget of dissolved radionuclide can be quantified. And according to particulate lead mass balance, by calculating flux from other node source and sinks, The contribution of deposition, resuspension process, and tributary input to the budget of particulate radionuclide are quantified. Source and sink budget calculation for radionuclide in the internal system, and the results are present in the table below. From the percentage, it means that the unknown source or sinks contribute to the total flux, and we get the result in the return to Lausanne section. Tributary contribution account for 15% and 17.5% and 47% of the total import of dissolved lead, polonium, and beryllium, respectively. The potential flux of particulate lead and beryllium exceed 39% and 18% of the total import, respectively. The combined resuspension flux of particulate beryllium and tributary import exceeded 20% of the total output. In the following, we present the estimation of the nucleid and sediment resistance time. The equation for estimating the resistance time of nucleid in the dissolved and particulate state is as follows. The process affecting the resistance time of radionuclide emitter and emitter, including absorption and desorption. By absorption, deposition and resuspension, and the additional source for dissolved radionuclide. Sorption process in biological uptake will increase its residence time, and desorption from particles, sediment suspension, and impulse from external source will decrease the dissolved radionuclide residence time. Deposition and desorption will increase the particular radionuclide residence time. Absorption process and sediments resuspension and the input from external source will decrease the particle radionuclide residence time. To quantify the impact of dumping liquor on material transport in the Yangtze River, we conducted 3 modeling scenarios for the Yichang to Luoshan section. Box A including the mainstream of Yangtze River, the section of Yichang to Luoshan and the dumping liquor. Box 2 represents dumping liquor alone. Box C represents the mainstream of Yangtze River. Results is showing in the.
It's also 2 minutes left.
Okay, okay. And we can see the influence to nucleoid and the sentiments with suspension is the most influence to the radionuclide residence time. We use the media and mood to determine sentiments residence time. The formula is as follows. Our results showing if the particular matter through the mainstream will cost 13 days. If it cross to maker, it will cost 200 days. My presentation is finished. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.